Gaspésie Tour is a legendary scenic drive that loops around the huge Gaspésie Peninsula. For this trip, we drive around 2,500 kilometers and spend a bit less than $100, everything included. We covered the following itinerary during our 8 days. We departed from Montreal, then we stopped on our way to Gaspésie to Kamouraska. We spent our first night at Mont-Saint-Pierre. The next day we went to Gaspé for lunch, and in the afternoon we hiked in Forillon National Park. We spent the following 2 nights at Percé in order to do a multitude of activities. There we cruised to Bonaventure Island to discover the Garnet Colony. On our 5th day we kayaked on the Bonaventure River. On our 6th day, we hiked the Gaspésie National Park. The next day, we drove back to Quebec City. On the way, we stopped to the microbrewery of Le Quetch and at Big National Park. On our 8th day, we hiked Jacques-Cartier National Park and visited the Montmorency Falls. After, we made it back to Montreal. For more information, don't miss my 2 videos about this road trip, link in the upper right corner of your screen.
Oh my god, this road trip was so insane. During those 8 days, we covered 2,500 kilometers. Woo! Anyway, I hope it was really helpful for you to plan your trip in Gaspésie, that it gives you many ideas of things to do, what not to miss, and all the hidden gems and tips. Anyway, explore your surroundings. Bisous, bisous!